Hey everyone, I'm here with another layout. This one is probably my favorite one of the ones I've done in April so far. Even the ones that I did after this one, I still like this one better. Excuse me, sorry. So I am going to use Maggie Holmes chipboard stickers. Is this pink? No, that's not sticker, that's a die cut, okay. And that black and white, this is scraps from past layouts. So these are all, let's see, yeah, all the paper except for the white cardstock is Spazzle. Otherwise, all the other papers are Maggie Holmes Garden Party, and the chipboard stickers are as well. And I'm going to use die cuts, and those are oh yeah, that's right. I did use that frame around my picture, and it was I have my, you can't see it because the frame, but behind him is my stove. He's in the kitchen, and you can see, I know it's around Christmas time because or at least after Thanksgiving, because I have my Christmas towels on my, hanging on my stove, as I always do. And yeah, so that frame around the picture is my is from a past kit. It was in my stash. The die cuts are Simple Stories Bunnies Plus Blooms. And there's three, sorry. The colored hearts, and let's see here. The colored hearts. Yeah, everything else is die cuts except for the colored hearts are Maggie Holmes Garden Party stickers. So that's everything else. The bunnies, the goose, the pink skies ahead, Hello Spring are all. Oh, and Love Grows here is Simple Stories, Bunnies Plus Blooms. I go and I get some washi tape. I use a gray, and then I use a pretty blue. The blue comes from, I did the gray to go with the black and white pattern, and then I do the blue washi to match the floral. So that's the reasoning behind those washes and how I chose them. I should be doing this voiceover before the timer goes off because I have to go shut off zone 6. The control box will only turn on zone 3 for some reason, so that one I don't have to set a timer for. Which I've done 5, 4, 5, 6. So now I'll start with 3 and work my way down. Oh wait, I gotta change up my sprinkler. Yes. Alrighty, so I'm just going to put down the flowers, the die cuts, and the chipboard stickers. Which the chipboard stickers I tend to take the backing off. I don't use the dimensions, well, except for the frames, which I wish now I would have done that. Which I still could, because oh, they come off, so I still could take the dimensions off, because it makes it very, very heavy. Am I going to be able to get this bunny's ear off of it? Okay, good. So I'm going to change this while my voiceover's going. I don't want them up like that. Alright. Okay, so I was able to get it. We'll see about this other one. I hope I can get it. Yep. Yay. Oh. Hey Google, stop timer. Alrighty. Move the goose and my paper got. Goose is supposed to go on top of it. There we go. Alright, so now it just has to dry. Hopefully. That's all we got on top. Okay. Alright, so my title is Another Year of Making Memories. So, another making is, oh boy, I never wrote that down. Those are American Crafts Garden Party Stickers, alphabet stickers. And Year of Escape Cake Club's Pretty Sweet, and Memories is Pink Fresh Studio Some Days, which is, some days came from, I want to say, the March kit. But here's where I do some stenciling, just because I needed something. And this just really helps bring those clusters together. And that's it. So when I'm more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching. Bye.